Welcome to AM's Crafty Life. I'm going to show you how to make this cute kawaii macaron. First, you'll want to condition your clay. Roll out 2 even balls. Flatten them down a bit and push around on the edges to make it into a shape that you like. Make sure both sides are even and the same. Using a needle tool to mark around the bottom edge of both halves. Now using a dotting tool, using the bigger side of the dotting tool, push down where the line you made earlier down and drag it out a bit. Then you'll want to take the smaller end of the dotting tool and go in between those pieces and push it in. Make sure you do that on both pieces. For the middle, you'll want to roll out a piece of white clay into a ball, then flatten just a bit. You'll want to make sure it fits in between the 2 pieces, but not so much that it's hanging over the edge. Using some baking bond to stick all the pieces together. Then press together firmly. Now add your eye pin to turn into a charm. Bake according to your package instructions. After you bake, take your eye pin out and use a little bit of super glue to secure it. Now add add your jump ring and lobster clasp to make it into a charm. And here is your finished charm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.